Minista wa gĩthomo Ezekiel Machogu ateyanĩirie ndeto iria kũringana nake nĩ cia mũhuhu cia kwĩrĩkana kĩgeranio gĩa KCSE kĩa mwaka wa 2022 kĩarĩ na ũici mũingĩ.
People have said that we produced so many A's that almost each and every candidate was getting an A. This is not so. This is all but propaganda coined by people who don't have proper intentions for our education system, people who I can call, these are sadists.
Machogu ambĩrĩirie na gũtheria ciĩgiĩ kaunti ya Kisii na Nyamira iria irerĩkana ciarĩ na ũingĩ wa arutwo arĩa manyitire grade ya A.
Migori County had 66 A's, followed closely by Kisumu County, which had 59 A's, and then followed by Kisii County, which had 50 A's. That is all the schools of that county. Followed very closely by Mabei County, which had 47 counties. A's. Nyamira was last with 31 A's.
Athiĩte na mbere na gũthathaũra gĩtũmi gĩa cukuru wa imwana wa Nyambaria gũkorwo itari-inĩ rĩa cukuru iria ciĩkĩte wega mũno na ũkoretwo ũkĩhũthĩrwo ta kĩonereria kĩa ũhotekeku wa ũici.
The guy who left Maranda went to Nyambaria as the principal. So it is not a miracle. It's a question of a little bit of hard work. You have a proper manager and is able to improve from 9-point-something% to 10-point-something%. And then people say, no, we expect that it is only such and such a school that should always be. Why don't you allow others? Today you are at bottom, tomorrow you are.
Minista Machogu arĩtie hĩndĩ igongona rĩa kũrekereria mabuku milioni 17 kũrĩ cukuru makĩria ma 20,000 iria cihĩtũkĩtio gũkorwo na irathi cia grade 7.
We have a total of 12 core learning areas and 7 learning areas out of which learners may be 7 optional areas out of which learners may be able to choose any 2.
The evaluation exercise is very rigorous. There are very many publishers who do not meet the mark, and the few who meet the mark still meet the mark with conditional approval. So after that, there is a lot of corrections.
Acabithia a mabuku 9 nĩo mahĩtũkĩtio gũcabithia mabuku ma grade 7 na thirikari ĩrabanga kũhũthĩra ciringi bilioni 3 mũbango-inĩ ũyũ. Ngĩribotera Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Gathoni Wanjihia.